Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Dola AI like a pro in 2026. If you already know the basics of Dola, the next step is learning how to use its calendar and reminder features more efficiently. The key is to give clear instructions and build a scheduling system that works with your daily routine. Start by keeping your calendar organized. Connect the calendar you use most often and make sure your existing events are accurate. If you use multiple calendars, check each one carefully so you don't accidentally create scheduling conflicts. When creating events, use detailed natural language instructions. Instead of saying, meeting tomorrow, try something like, schedule a project review tomorrow at 2 p.m. for 45 minutes. Including the important details makes your request much clearer. You can also combine several scheduling actions into your routine. For example, create meetings, add reminders for important tasks, and use recurring events for activities that happen regularly. Another professional habit is using time blocking. Reserve specific periods for focused work, meetings, email, planning, and personal activities. This gives your day a clear structure and helps protect time for important tasks. Use reminders strategically instead of creating reminders for everything. Set reminders for deadlines, important appointments, preparation tasks, and activities that you're likely to forget. Recurring events can also save a lot of time. Weekly meetings, regular study sessions, monthly reviews, and other repeated activities can be scheduled once and managed as a routine when supported. When your plans change, update your calendar immediately. Don't rely on remembering the change later. A current